We have 6 steps that will achieve your dream home. They are key to your project success. They are going to ensure you the best possible outcome. So our step 1 is our design advice. A service which is conducted at your house. It is aimed at finding the best solution for your problems. Step 2 is our concept design service. So this service is about making sure that you are getting the best solution possible and also understanding the building costs. Our step 3 concept revision / design development service. It's a 2-pronged service where we're taking what we've developed in step 2. We're taking on any changes that you want us to do. We're also refining the design to start the development of the interior design. So we will show you vision of what your interiors will look like and further refine the external design of your project.
He created that image of how the house would look, which gave me an immediate concept. There was style in the design.
At our step 4 approval application services, we're doing all the design that's required for approvals, but we're also bringing in engineers and other sub-consultants to help finalise your project. Our step 5 construction drawings stage is covering off on the technical side of your project. It's really drawings for the builder. Construction detailing, lighting and electrical plans, reflected ceiling plans. We also do full interior design and full landscape design. So it's going to polish off the complete design of your entire house with interior design and landscape design to give you a complete overview.
I didn't expect the interior to be designed, and that came with the package. So that was nice that I didn't then have to look for an interior designer.
So our step 6 service is our tender and contract administration service. It can be bought just as tender and contract admin, or just tender on its own. So our tender service is where we get 3 or 4 builders to quote your project. Contract admin is our process where we oversee the builder in order to complete the building project. So to ensure that the builder is doing the right thing in accordance with the overall construction documents and building your house as contracted.
I liked the process of choosing the builder. The amount of work put into evaluating the tender from my perspective that they would then recommend, and the detailed comments I thought was exceptional.
What's really important to understand is the reason why people engage us for our 6-step service is so that they can save money and get a perfect result. We've done this for countless number of clients, and with the service, most of them have saved on 30 to 40% of building costs. So we did a tender service recently where we got 3 to 4 builders' quotes for a project. We had a $300,000 range in price from top to bottom. Now, in our case, the lowest price wins because all of these builders are known to us. If we've presented them with very detailed drawings and they've given us a price, it is their price that they can build the project for. So lowest price does win. So it's really important to go to tender. You will well and truly cover our fees in this process, our fees alone, and all the consultants, and you'll get an outstanding result. Apart from our 6 step, we have a range of additional services. We can basically talk to you about that when you give us a call or email us, and I'd be happy to have a chat to you.